how to save money on your cheap or expensive conditioner. So you can use any conditioner of your choice. Just make sure the conditioner you are using is sulfate free, paraben free, and no mineral oils. I said how to save money on your conditioner, cheap or expensive conditioner, but I am like going overboard. I know some of you guys saying, how can I save money on wasting conditioner like this? Well, I am just doing a challenge, conditioner challenge, but I will also tell you how to save money on your cheap or expensive conditioner. So I am going to be using fresh aloe vera gel. Then I am also going to be using Diva Curl conditioner. And guys, I would recommend that you blend the aloe vera gel first before adding in any conditioner of your choice. Make sure blend it a little bit, then you add the conditioner. After you finish adding the conditioner, blend it again, then you screen it. And I am going to apply this conditioner all through my hair. I would recommend you work in section. Usually I like to work in full section to make it a whole lot easier. Right now I am like just all over the place, so I better than work in sections. And I want to also to do a conditioner challenge. This is it. Mixing your conditioner and fresh aloe vera gel is definitely going to help you save money in the long run. You know how when you buy a conditioner around $20 to $40 and just in one use and you realize your conditioner is already halfway finished and you kind of feel like it's a waste of money, this method is definitely going to help you save money. And this is my favorite part about this DIY conditioner mix. It will make your natural hair more manageable, easy to comb through, and add shine to your hair. Plus, it's also going to clean your scalp while conditioning your natural hair. Ladies, after I am done rubbing and squeezing out this conditioner, I am going to cover my hair with a shower cap and let it sit in for like 30 to 45 minutes. Then I'm going to go in the shower and rinse it out with lukewarm water. And after that, the rest is going to be off camera. But let me tell you what I'm going to do next. I'm going to use my old t-shirt to remove excess water. And after that, I am going to go in with my leave-in conditioner plus DIY oils. Massage it all through my hair, comb through my hair in each section. Then I braid it down. Then the next day, then I style my natural hair. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.